Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now draw N and use blue color. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R and use green color. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Kids, now draw V and use black color. V for van. W for watch. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now draw numbers and use red color. And first we draw 1. O and Yvonne. TW2. THRW3. FOUR4. FIVE5. SIX6, SEVEN7, HIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, white color, and black color. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use blue color. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use red color. 7, 8, 9, 10. It's now you draw 11 and use yellow color. 12, 13, 14, 15. It's now you draw 16 and use green color. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, and white color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use black color. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use yellow color. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for glass. H for hand, H for helicopter. I I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. The alphabets of J and use blue color. J for joker. J for jackfruit. K. K for kite. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. It's neither R. The alphabets of R in hue is green color. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. It's neither V. The alphabets of V and U is red color. V for van. W. W for wallet. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, black color, yellow color, green color and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and U is blue color. A for apple. Kids, now you draw B and U is red color. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and U is black color. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and U is yellow color. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and hue is green color. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw number 8 and hue is blue color. And first you draw 1. O and E1, TWO2, THRW3, FOUR4, FIVE5. Kids, now you draw 2D shapes and hue is red color. And first you draw a square. The shape of square Kids, now I draw circle and use black color. The shape of circle. It's now I draw triangle and use yellow color. The shape of triangle. It's now I draw heart and use green color. The shape of heart. It's last to draw Easter and use white color. The shape of Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.